Okay, now we want to turn the motor off after the bump switch is pressed. So we're going to copy that, and we'll do a save as. We'll call this BP7. Change our task. So now we're going to have a start motor, left motor, and then while the bump switch is not pressed, again, continue checking that sensor. And then when it is pressed, we want to stop the motor. So we just have to modify this a little bit. It really just depends on where the start motor command is issued. So this was 6, where we use a bump switch to start the motor. Now we're going to use the bump switch to stop the motor. So we started initially on its own. We're waiting for that sensor value to be pressed. So we start the motor, we're now checking this value, and then we don't need this wait 2, because if we have that in there, it's going to, after we push the button, it's going to wait 2 more seconds before it stops it. So we want to stop immediately. So this allows us to almost put like an emergency stop button on our system, where it's going to continue doing what it was doing until we push a bump switch, and then it will kick out and stop that motor. So this should be what we're looking for right here. So let's give it a compile, and we'll download. So you can hear our motor. Our motor is running. I'm going to go to sensors, and I'm going to push the bump, and right away it stops the motor and it ends the program. So it does what we want it to. That is BP7.